Alright guys, this is what I got going on. For the stiffeners at the point of the sword, the weak of the sword, I wanted to do a hole design so the antiquing gel below it sticks out and there's kind of a contrast there. So that's what I just came up with. I didn't have any patterns in particular. I looked online to see if they had any cool patterns that stuck out, and you can't actually find any patterns that are just circles or all that without the whole lotus flower thing showing up all the time. So I just started punching holes, and when I liked what I saw, I stopped. I also put a stitch groove in there. So this is what it looks like so far. It's that one. Let's see if maybe I can get a better view for you. So that's what the one side looks like, and that's what the other side looks like. I tried to get them so that they were equal. At first what I did is I stacked them on top of each other and made my punch through both. That was not a good idea. For some reason on this one, if you can see, it created a round circle on this big hole right in the center there. It created a hole on the bottom one. So when I went like this and then I punched, it created that hole in there, and that wasn't good. That was a bad idea. So after that, I just kind of evened everything up and said, hey, does this match? And tried to make it equal. I think I came out with a pretty good design. The next step in these things are going to be to stain them. Once they're stained, they'll be ready to put on this. And then once I finish this part up, then I can actually put this on and the actual fur pieces on. So, I'm getting close to assembly here pretty soon. I still left I guess, I'm not quite sure on the terminology here. A gusset is if you have a purse and you've got your front face, your back face, and you got a piece that you sew in the middle. That's a gusset. I'm not quite sure, but I've heard people say on when you make sheaths or scabbards or stuff like that, the thick piece in between the faces, the front face and the back face, is called a welt. So I'm not sure if that's the right terminology or not. I'll kind of have to look into it more. Maybe a welt is just a different way to say a gusset. Who knows? I ran into that situation before, so that's what I've got. And I think they kind of look pretty good. I don't think I want to add any more. If I add any more, I think it'll be too much holes in there, and I think it'll just be too much of a blah kind of thing. I'm going to stay with that. And that's what it's got. Alright. Thanks guys for watching. Like and subscribe my videos. And have a good day. Thank you.